guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Raylan here, and today I'll be showing you guys how I create my thumbnails. So before we get started, please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe down below by clicking the red button. Don't forget to hit the bell after you do that. Let's get started. So to edit my thumbnails, I use PicMonkey.com to erase the background of the screenshot that I took because once I'm done recording, I'll take a screenshot, or I'll use a snipping tool to I use the snipping tool to screenshot a part of my previewed story. So for example, how I preview my story, like I make an example, I'll take a part of that I want, and I'll go to PicMonkey and I'll erase the rounding of it so it can be sort of transparent. So that's basically how I do it. And then I'll come over to canva.com, and what I do is I click on create a design, and I scroll to where it says social media and email headers, and I'll click on YouTube thumbnail. And then what I'll do is I'll go to uploads, and I'll just choose the one that I want. So for example, I'll choose this one for my Zoom video, and I'll resize it to make it bigger, and then I'll move it sort of like right here, and I'll make it bigger again. So about right there, right here is perfect. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this episode logo, and all I really did was search up episode logo, and then I'm going to move it to be right here. And then what I'll do is I'll take this, and all I searched up to find it was episode at picture, I think. Just like that. And then I searched up a happy emoji transparent, so I add it. So then I'll just save the picture. I named it smiley emoji, and I put it right here, I think. No, right here. And then I'm gonna go to text. Oopsies, this is the wrong spot. I'm going to click on brunch. I use that for the what it says tutorial number blank. So I'll double click on this bottom part because most of them have like little words at the bottom or the top. I'll just erase that because I only need one thing, and I'll just name this tutorial number 15. And then I'll make it, I made it purple, and I'm just going to rotate it right here, and I'm going to move it right here. Perfect. And now I'm going to take this from the table 1, I'll move it down here, and I'll make it bigger. This is perfect. So now what I'll do is I'll double click on this bottom part, like I said earlier, because most of them have top and bottom words that I do not want, so I just double click on them. Sometimes it takes a while to load, so there we go. And now we'll just double click on this one, and then we'll name it Zooms. And I always make this one white, and then I'll just move it down right here. And then in order to change the name, you want to click up here, and then you can name whatever you want. So I'm going to name it Zooms thumbnail. And click done. And now once you're done that, you can click download, and it's already at the one that I always use. I always use PNG. I don't really feel like I just use PNG, and then I click download. And now you're gonna click save and click open folder. And now you can just put it wherever you want. So I'm going to put mine in 3D objects. I already had ones, but I'm just going to replace it because it's basically the same thing. And now you're basically done. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I said earlier, please like it if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below by clicking the red button, and don't forget to hit the bell after you do that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.